Welcome back to math class, children. In the last class, we were discussing about quadrilaterals, right? What is quadrilateral? It is a plane figure and closure figure formed by it is bounded by four sides, right? And we discussed types of quadrilaterals and properties of different quadrilaterals and basic concepts, right? Now we'll move on to the exercise 3.1. The first one, so they have given some figures here. So in that you have to classify each of them on the basis of the following. They have given 8 figures here and they have given some questions here. You have to classify the children. First one is simple curve and simple closed curve, and third one polygon, convex polygon and concave polygon. Come to the first one, simple curve. What do you mean by simple curve and simple closed curve? That means a curve which starts and ends at the same point without crossing itself. Okay, it's a closed a curve. For example, the starting point and ending point should be same. For example, if you start from here, okay, children, it ends with, so you will come from here to here. So you will draw like this, right? Again, we reach the same point. So the beginning and starting and end points are same. And here also, if you start from here, you will draw a line segment. Again, you will come to the same position, right? So like this, that is called simple closure figure. So which are the closure figure here? One, it is simple close made of line segments, right? So 1, 2. What about here? The starting point, ending points are not same here. We have 2 loops here, right? So it is not a simple curve. And here also, so while in the definition, what are the saying? Without crossing itself. So here we have cross lines here. So it is not a simple curve. And come to 5, yes, it is simple curve. The starting point and ending points are same. And here also it is 6. It is also simple curve. And here also it is simple curve. And what about 8th one? It is not the simple curve. So you will start from here. So you will draw a loop and again you will draw a line segment and again loop, right? So it is not a simple curve. And now the figure 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 are the simple curve. And those are closure curves also. All are closed. Okay, open illa yadu. All are closure figure. 1 is, it is also closure figure. 2 is closure figure. And 5 is closure figure. 6 is closure figure as well as 7 closure figure. Okay, next come to the polygon. What is a polygon? In the previous class, I explained the definition for polygon. Polygon is a simple closed figure. So it is a polygon. It is a simple closed figure formed by line segments. Okay, children, formed by lines irbeko, not like curves. Okay, itara curves irbardu, line segments irbeko, closed figure ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. It is the simple closed figure, okay, formed by line segments on the same plane. That is called polygon. So one is polygon and it is polygon. Here it is loops and these are not polygons. So 1 and 2 are polygons. In 1 and 2, which is convex polygon and which is concave polygon? Already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. If the each of the angle, see the figure 2, each angle is less than 180 degree. So ella angle less than 180 ide. So it is convex anta helteve. if you come to the figure 1, so what is the angle here? It is more than 180, right? Illi more than 180 ide. That is where it is reflex angle. See, we are saying reflex angle in the figure 1. So it is called concave polygon. Okay, children, we'll go to the next one. How many diagonals does each of the following have? Okay, first one, convex quadrilateral, and regular hexagon, and third one, triangle. Okay, children. So first come to the first one, A, convex quadrilateral. Convex quadrilateral means just now I told you the each angle will be less than 180. So these are called diagonals, right? So what is diagonal? It is the line segment connecting two non-consecutive points, right? So joining the opposite points. Okay, now opposite points na non-collinear or non-consecutive points na join ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ diagonal ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. Okay, here in quadrilateral we have only two diagonals. Okay, children, the answer is 2. Come to the hexagon, regular hexa. Hexa means 6. Six-sided figure. So we have hexagon here. For example, take the point here. And how many diagonals can you draw from here, from this point? Okay, 1. Just join all the points, children. Except ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೂ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ. Okay, draw from here to here. It is 1 and it is 2 and it is 3, right? And take this point 1, 2 and 3. From here to here 1, 2 and 3. Come to this point. So like that you draw the diagonal from each point, so that how many diagonals are in the picture figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So you will get, you are saying 9 diagonals here, children. So you can see 3 triangle shapes here. ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಮಗೆ 3 triangle shapes ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 1, 2 and 3, right? So 3 3s are 9. So you are getting 9 diagonals in the figure. And what about triangle? How can you draw diagonals for the triangle? See, you can't draw from here to here or here to here. These are called sides, alva? And the sides agate. You can't draw any diagonals in the triangle. So the answer is 0. Come to the third one. What is the sum of the measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? Well, this property holds if the quadrilateral is not convex. Okay, children. So what is the question? The sum of measures of angles of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? Convex ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? If it is not convex, same ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Let us see whether they are same or different. One second, children. Yes. So it is 3.1. Third question. I will draw a convex quadrilateral A, B, C, D. What is the sum of the measures of angles of a convex quadrilateral? So I will draw a diagonal here. Okay, children. Now, in the figure, we had two triangles here. Which are the two triangles? That is triangle ABC and triangle ACD. There are two triangles are in the figure. So we know that the sum of interior angles of triangle is 180, right? The sum of all the angles of triangle is 180. So sum of triangle angles of ABC is 180 degree and plus sum of angles of ACD is 180 degree. That is equal to 360 degree. So the sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is it is 360 degree. Now come to this is first one. And what is second question? If it is not convex means I am drawing concave quadrilateral. Okay, children, this is concave. See, it is more than this angle is more than 180, right? It is concave quadrilateral. Okay, just draw the line C A B D, A B C D. Okay, children. Now, which are the triangles here? Two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle BCD. So here also in each triangle we have three angles, right? So what is the sum of three angles of ABC triangle here? It is 180 degree plus what is sum of all the angles of triangle BCD? Here also we are getting 360 degree. Okay, children, whether it is concave or convex, the sum will be 360 degree. Okay, the sum of all the angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Next 3.1. So here they have given the number, children, 1, 2, 3 for angles and 4, 5, 6. Just write 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180. 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 180. So sum of all the angles is 360 degree. Next, fourth one, examine the table. Here they have given figures, children. You should know the names of the polygons. Okay. So three-sided figure is called triangle. Four-sided figure is called quadrilateral. That is okay. Triangle, and it is quadrilateral. And if the polygon has 5 sides, it is called pentagon. If it has 6 sides, it is called hexagon, 7 sides heptagon, and 8 sides octagon, and 9 sides nonagon, and 10 decagon. Okay, you should know the names of the polygons with respect to their number of sides. Here, see, triangle has 3 sides, quadrilateral has 4 sides, it is pentagon and it is hexagon. Here, what is this? So they have given angle sum. The sum of all the angles of triangle is 180 degree, right? We know that. And here they have drawn one diagonal, means we have 2 triangles here. That's why they have written 2 into 180. Each triangle's angle sum is 180. We have 2 triangles here, that is 2 into 180. Now, so 2, how we have written 4 minus 2 into 180. Come to the third one. Here they have drawn 2 diagonals and we are getting 3 triangles here, right? So how can you write this? 3 into. So each triangle angle sum is 180. Illi 180 baratte, illi 180 and 180. So 3 into 180. So how we are writing 3? As 5 minus 2. And hexagonally 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 triangles here. 4 into 180. Okay, children. So 4 is written as 6 minus 2. See, in all the cases, we have written the number of sides. So we have written 4, illi 5 bardidivi and illi 6 bardidivi. We are subtracting 2 in each cases. Okay, it is 4 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 2. So like that, so how to know the angle sum of a polygon, of any polygon? ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, what is the sum of all the angles of the polygon? ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so by using this, write the number of sides minus 2 into 180. Okay, children. So the formula is, see here we have written the formula. The angle sum of a polygon having side n is equal to. So what we are doing here, n minus 2 into 180. n andre n plus n baritira, number of sides baritira. See, here we have written 4. 4 sides ide 4 bardidivi. 5 sides ide 5. 7 ide 7. So like that, number of sides minus 2 into 180. Okay, children. So this is how we find the angle sum of a polygon. So they have given to find out 7, 8, 10 n. First one, number of sides. It is, they have given heptagon anta heltivi. 7 sides idre heptagon. So n is equal to 7. Then angle sum of all the 7 angles. Okay, sum of the 7 angles will be ಎಷ್ಟಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? Write the side minus 2 into 180. n minus 2 formula ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. n minus 2 into 180. n plus ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀವಿ. minus 2 into 180. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 into 180, that is 900. Okay, children, I'll show you how to find it. This is fourth one. That first one they have given 7, right? So what is the formula? We know that n minus 2 into 180, right? This is general formula. So in place of n, we are writing what is 7 here? Number of sides, right? Number of sides is 7. So a 7 na barita idini, minus 2 into 180 degree. That is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5 into 180 degree. So 18 into 5, 90, that is 900. See, if the polygon has 7 sides, what will be the total angle? For example, children, quadrilateral in ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ angles ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? That is 360 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, right? 360 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ angles ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 360. So like that, if the polygon has 7 sides ಇದ್ರೆ what will be the sum of all the angles? It is 900. Okay, now come to the second one. 8 number of sides is equal to 8. What is our formula? N minus 2 into 180. That is equal to number of sides 8 is 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6. That is equal to 18 into 6. 18 6 are 108, right? And 0. So the sum of all the angles are, that is octagon. Okay, octagon and the figure with 8 sides. So this is the total sum 1080 degree. Now third one, number of sides is equal to n is equal to 10. Now n minus 2 into 180 degree. N is 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 into 18. 18 8s are 144. The right 0. So the sum of all the angles of decagon. Deca means 10. Okay, children. So that is 1440 degree. Now last one. Number of sides is equal to n. So this is general formula, children. So how will we write this? N minus 2 into 180. This is the general formula to find the total sum of all the angles of a polygon. Next, fifth one. What is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon. Okay, I'll read one by one. Already I have told about regular polygon, right now, children? What is regular polygon? So regular polygon having sides of equal length. Okay, children, all the sides are equal and all angles are equal. If all the sides and angles are equal in the polygon, then it is called regular polygon. A polygon having sides of equal length and angles of equal measures is called regular polygon. It is called if all the sides are equal. See, in triangle, you know that if all the sides are equal, what do we say? Equilateral anta heltivi. Equilateral anta heltivi. If all the angles are equal, then we say equiangular. Okay, equilateral and equiangular. Now, what is the first question in that? State the name of the regular polygon of 3 sides. So 3 sides the regular polygon yavdu. So you know that if all the 3 sides are equal, okay, so and all the angles are equal, we call it as equilateral triangle. If three sides equal is the equilateral triangle. And second one, 3 angles equal is the equiangular anta heltivi. And second one, 4 sides are equal. If four sides are equal, you know that where four sides are equal in square, right children? So all four sides are equal in square. Then where do you see all sides equal in quadrilateral? Yeah, quadrilateral ella equal irutte. Yes, it is rhombus. You know, in rhombus, all the sides will be equal. So write the answer. Four sides, that is square, and six sides. So write for square. Then six sides, children. It is called, what is six-sided figure? Regular hexagon. Six-sided figure is called hexagon. We'll go to the next question. That is sixth one. Find the value of x. They have given some figures here. So you have to find the value of x. First one. This is 50 degree, 130, and it is 120. You should not think it as parallelogram or anything, children, because when they mention in the question like parallelogram anta mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು parallelogram ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Otherwise you should not write. Okay, now it is a quadrilateral, that's it. This is the first one, A, and you have to find out the value of x here. So you know that sum of, or you can write, you can mention A, B, C, D. So sum of all the angles, we know that angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C plus, angle D is equal to 360. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. What is angle A here? It is 50 degree. Just substitute in the places. Angle B is, write x, plus C is 120 and D is 130 degree. That is equal to 360. Now add all the numbers. X plus 120, 130, it is 250 plus 50. That is 300, right? Is equal to 360. Now write x as it is. 360 minus 300. So what is your answer? It is 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. We'll see the next one. It is 90 degree, children. (60°), x 70. Yes, first I have to write figure has four sides. So we know that it is the quadrilateral, the sum of quadrilateral, sum of angles of the quadrilateral. So for each and every question, you have to write all these, children. Quadrilateral is equal to 360. Okay, now I'm writing. Here, children, see, this is, if you write like this, it means it is 90 degree, it is right angle. Okay, we know that, you know, already in first class I explained, this is what linear pair, right? Linear pair of angles. The sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. If it is right angle, so it is also right angle. Linear pair of angles alli explain madidde. So sum will be 180. So idu 90 ide andre idu saha 90 irutte. So it is 90 degree. You can write it as P, Q or S. Okay, sum of, I'll write angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S is equal to 360. So here you can write in the working column. So you can show here, children. So it is also linear pair of angles. Linear pair, that is equal to 180. Sum of the angles will be 180. So what is P here? It is X. Q is 70 degree. R is 60 degree and S is 90 degree, that is equal to 360. Add all the numbers. So you will get 220 degree, that is equal to 360. Yes. X is equal to 360 minus 220 is equal to 140 degree. This is the value of X in the figure. Okay. So X is 140 degree. We'll see the next one. C, question C. Yes, the question is like this. It is 70 degree, 60, it is 30 degree. So if you write like this, these two are equal anta. Okay, children? X, X. So what is the name of the polygon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 5-sided figure, right? So figure has 5 sides. It is called pentagon. Pentagon. So what is the sum of angles of pentagon is equal to, how it already you know how to find it, right? So 5 sides are there, minus 2 into 180. So 5 minus 2 is 3, that is 540. Okay, if you don't know, you can find like this, children, but nimge gottirbeku yavudu ಎಷ್ಟು total sum ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. So sum is equal to 540 degree. And now how to find the remaining angles? So write it as A, B, C, D, E. Now, see in the figure, we know angle, only one, they have given only one angle here, but here we have two angles, exterior angles. Andre exterior andre ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರೋ angles ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. One is 70 degree and another one is 60 degree. See, if you know that both are linear pair of angles, so you can find both the angles, right? See, it is 70 degree, and what about this angle? The total should be 180. Then it is 110 degree, right? So this is 110, and if it is 60, it will be 120. So let us see how to find it. Sixty degree and 180 minus 60 is 120. So that is 120. Right here, two angles at the bottom. So this is just for your reference, children. Bottom or linear pair. So how can you write this, children? So 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110 degree, and 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. Now you know three angles and you have to find out x here, and they are telling both are equal. So we can write angle A plus angle B plus C D E. How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Five angles, that is equal to 540. So what is A here? It is 30 degree. What is B? I'm writing X in place of C. Right, what is angle C here? Just now we got find it. So C is equal to angle C, angle D. Yes, angle C is 110, angle D is 120 degree, angle E is X, that is equal to 540. So 2x plus, if you add all the numbers, you will get 260. 260, that is equal to 540. So if you simplify this, children, you will get simplified this. You will get x is equal to 140 degree. So each angle, the measure of each angle will be 140 degree. Next one. See how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the pentagon. That is regular pentagon. Why it is called regular? All the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, all the angles will be equal. So it is a regular pentagon. So just now in previous sum we saw that the total sum will be 540. Okay. So how can you write, children? 5 sides are there. So all are equal. Can we write it as 5x? Right? So each angle x anta tagondre. So 5 angles ide. 5 into x is equal to 540. Can we write like this, children? X is equal to 540 by 5. That is equal to 5 ones, 0, 8. Okay. So each angle will be 108 degree. And now 7th sum. is it is 30 degree and it is Z, X, it is 90 degree, this is Y. Here children, X, Y, Z, these are called exterior angles. So you have to find X plus Y plus Z is equal to question mark. Okay, you have to find the sum of all the angles, exterior angles anta heltivi. Okay, the angles which lie outside the triangle X, Y, Z are called exterior angles. Exterior. Okay, exterior angles. Here we know that they have given two angles here, right? 90, 30. And what about another angle here? You can find easily. So the sum will be, the sum of all the angles will be 180 degree, right? So I will write here. Sum of all the angles, just I'll write sum is equal to sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. So here we have, you can write 180 minus, so two angles are given, that is 90 plus 30 degree, right? 180 minus, it is 120 degree. 180 minus 120 is 60 degree. So this is what? 60 degree. Another angle of triangle is 60 degree. Now you know how to find this, alva? So exterior and linear pair antanu ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Linear pair of angles idu. Z plus, you can write first one, X plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Just to write for all linear pair. Okay, children. So X is equal to 180. What is X is equal to 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degree. So the value of X is 90. Then come to Y. So Y plus, so already we have found this angle, that is 60 degree. 60 degree is equal to 180. Then ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? See, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು a line standing on the straight line. Okay, the sum will be 180. So 180 minus 60 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. 180 minus 60, that is equal to 120. And what about Z? Z plus, Z is equal to 180 minus 30, that is equal to 150. Okay, children, we got all the angles, angle X, Y, Z. So now we have to find out X plus Y plus Z, right? So I will write here, angle X is 90 degree, Y is 120 degree, and Z is 150 degree. That is equal to, what is your answer? Yes, it is 360. So the sum of three exterior angles is equal to 360. And one more thing, take any polygon, children. Okay, hexagon, heptagon, or whatever. Okay, ಯಾವುದೇ polygon ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ the sum of exterior angle is 360 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Not only for triangle, quadrilateral ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, pentagon, hexagon, nanogon, ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, the sum of exterior angles is equal to 360. And the second one, Seventh sum B. Yes, children. It is 80 degree, 120, and it is X, it is Y, Z, it is 60 degree, W. Here you have to find X plus Y plus Z plus W is equal to question mark. Okay, you have to find all the angle. And here it is a quadrilateral, children, right? So four-sided figure, it is a quadrilateral. So the sum of angles will be, sum of angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now write all the three angle, children. You have to find one more angle here. 60 degree plus 80 degree plus 120 degree plus, so you have to find this angle, right? So these are the three angles. Just I will write 360 minus this angles. So that is equal to, you will get 100 degree. So this is 100. And now you can find by using linear. See, all are in linear pair of angles. So write one by one. X is equal to, I will write directly, children. 180 minus 120. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. See, if you take this line, children, ಈ line ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a line standing on a straight line. Linear pair of angles ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ. So whenever, so you see like this, a line standing on the straight line. It is a straight line. It is straight angle. It is 180 degree. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದೇ ರೂಲ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degree. What about y here? Y is equal to 180 minus 80, that is equal to 100. And z, 180 minus 60. See, I am doing this. 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. And w is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. We have all the angles here. Now you have to find out x plus y plus z plus w. That is equal to, what is x here? 360. Y is 100. Z is 120. W is 80 degree. Add all, children. 120, 80 is 200, 300, 360. Yes, already I have told you the sum of all exterior angles of any polygon will be 360 degree. Next one, exercise 3.2. In that first one, find the value of x in following figures. First one, children. A, this is 125 degree. This is exterior angle, right? X degree, and it is also 125 degree. See, directly you can say the answer, right? Sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. So 125 plus 125, that is 250. 360 minus 250. So you can do directly, children, right? So the sum of exterior angles of a triangle is equal to 360. So here we have 125. So you can write 360 minus 125 plus 125, right? So 360 minus 1250, that is equal to 110, right? You can write directly like this, or yes, this is the easiest method to follow this. And the second one, here it is 90. It is also 90. So you see in the textbook and write, draw neatly, children. And one more angle. It is x degree 70. X 70 degree, and this is 60 90. Okay, children. Here we have two right angles, right? So this one and these two are right angles triangle. So it will be right angle. This is also right angle. Then you have to find out x, right? 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 60, and 360 minus 70, add 360 minus 100, you will get the value of x, right? So we'll see how to write that. Here, children, to interior, I will go for the next page. First one, then yes. two interior angles are right angles. So it is equal to 90 degree, right? Then here children, I will write 70 degree plus m, that is equal to 180. So linear pair of angles, 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. So m is equal to 110. Here n is equal to 180 minus 60, then it is 120 degree. Now we have in the figure we have to find the value of x here, right? So the sum, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Sum of angles of pentagon. Already you know this children, it is 540, right? Write all the angles. 90 plus 90, two right angles are there. And what is m here? It is 110. And what is n? Angle n is equal to 120. And y is equal to 540, right? Now y plus the sum of all the angles is 410 is equal to 540, that is equal to 540 minus 410, it is 130. So angle y is equal to angle y andre e angle is 130. Then x is equal to 180 minus y, right children? 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. So the value of x andre ಇದೆಷ್ಟಿದೆ 50 degree ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪೇರ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. Next one, second question. Measures of each exterior angle of regular polygon of 9 sides. Okay, children. You have to find the measure of each exterior angle. Is equal to question mark. You know that the sum of exterior angles will be 360 degree, and they are asking each exterior angle of 9-sided figure. Okay, children. Sorry, each exterior angle is equal to, what is the sum of all the exterior angles? It is 360 degree divided by 9, right children? If you divide 360 by 9, you will get 40 degree, right? Total sum na ನಾವು 9 sides in the 9 sides na divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get each angle, that is 40 degree. And one more number, 15 sides. Okay, here also we know the sum of exterior angle is 360. If you divide 360 by 15, you will get each angle, children. Okay, it is 360 divided by 15, that is equal to 24 degree. Next one. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree? That is third one. You have to find the number of sides. Number of sides is equal to question mark. If the measure of an exterior angle is exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ 24 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಸ್, each exterior angle is equal to sum by number of angles. Alva? Number of angles andre sum andre 360. If it has 9 angles, divide by 9 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, divide by 3 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So here, so they have given each exterior angle 24 ಇದೆ and sum is 360 degree. Number of angles, that is n, right children? So what will you do here? N goes to numerator, that is 360 by 24. That is equal to, you will get the answer 15. Okay children, 360 degree by 24 degree ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Number of angles ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is, the figure has 15 sides. Next one. Fourth one. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each interior angle is 165 degree? Okay children, then number of sides is equal to question mark. So each interior angle is 165 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Then how to find the exterior angle? For example, it is like this. Okay children, so interior angle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? So this is interior angle is 165. What about exterior angle here? It is, can you write 180 minus 165? Yes. Okay, right here. Interior. So ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಆಂಗಲ್ 165 ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? 180 minus 165 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ is equal to 165 degree. Then because why we are taking exterior ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so inside ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು angles ಇದೆ ಅಂತ number of angles ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, number of sides ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. But for polygon ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ sides ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೇ angles, ಎಷ್ಟೇ sides ಇದ್ರು, the total is 360 ಅಲ್ವಾ? So that's why we are taking exterior angle children. Okay, exterior angle sum ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So exterior angle is equal to it is fixed. 360 is fixed for any polygon alva. That's why we are referring exterior angle. 180 minus 65, that is 15 degree. So it is 15 degree. So the sum, how will you find it? So each angle is 15 atandre total is 360 degree. Each angle is 15 degree andre if you divide it, you will get the n, andre number of angles barutte. the number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angle by exterior angles by exterior angle, each exterior angle anta. So sum ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದು 360 ಇದೆ by exterior angle ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, each angle is 15 degree. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 5 chocolates 100 rupees ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 chocolates 100 rupees ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 chocolates 100 rupees ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 chocolate ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಈಚ್ 1 chocolate ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ 5 ones 520. Okay, so you will get 2400 like the children. Okay, number of chocolates sigate. So 360 by 15 degree, then it is, so number of sides is equal to 24. So regular polygon and how to find out the value of x. So based on linear pairs, we have solved all the problems here, right? So the sum of, see here children, it is a triangle. The sum of all the exterior angles na add madre 360 baratte. So if you take pentagon, here also you will get nodi nivu. So yaude agli, if you start from x, again you will, so next you will come to the point x ಮತ್ತೆ y ಮತ್ತೆ, so like that ಒಂದು circle ತರಾನೇ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. That's why it is, because it is 360 degree. So x, y, z, w, 4 angles are here. So it is also 360. Yes, children, till here we have completed. I think all of you understood all the concepts. Keep practicing. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.